Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all well. In today's episode, let's talk Creps. We are going to be talking about the Air Max 90 laser. Now if you're new to the channel, please like, comment and subscribe. I upload every Saturday, and with that being said, let's jump straight into this video. Okay, so just a little bit of history before I get into this shoe. This shoe released back in June 2021, retailed for 200 USD and 170 Great British pounds. It is the Air Max 90 laser. There is the label for it there. So the colorway for this is natural and summit white. Sorry, not natural, neutral and summit white. And it comes in this nice black drawn box. It has a second colorway, which is the dark mahogany, which I will cover in a later video, but let's stick with this one today. So open the box up, draws out nicely, and you have this really cool tissue paper on this one. So with it being a premium, I'm glad that Nike decided to switch up the paper a little bit. So they gave you this wood grain effect paper, which is what you'll find on the shoe. It's the laser etching print that they use. So peeling that back, you're gonna get the normal white tissue paper underneath, and then the shoe itself. Now, this shoe is a lovely looking shoe, and one that I see more as a piece of art than an actual wearable item. You can wear it, and I've seen people wearing them and it looks great on foot, but this is one that needs to be in a display box in my opinion. It is just a wicked shoe. So what you're seeing here is one sort of piece of leather that wraps around the whole shoe. Obviously you have extra leather portions stitched on, but the upper of the shoe is made up from one piece of leather, which has been laser etched with this wood grain effect, and it looks so good in hand. I don't know if the camera gives it justice, to be honest, but it is a wicked shoe. You get nice flat these aren't wax, are they? No, they're not wax. You get nice flat white laces with this one, and you get wooden aglets with, let's see if I can show it. Ooh, there's a Nike tick also lasered into both sides, which is a nice little touch I think that they do on this one. The outsole is your classic Nike Air Max 90 waffle outsole, which is sort of translucent. It's sort of got like a milky sort of shade to it. It's the best way I think I could describe it. And that same colour is also seen in the Air unit itself with this, the sort of the summit white midsole. You've got laser etchings in the tongue as well, as you can see, for the Air Max branding there. So nice thickness to the tongue, it's quite plush. You've also got Nike Air written in on the insole as well. Now the leather in the sock line is slightly different to the outer. So the outer leather feels almost sort of like a suede, and I think that's due to the laser etching that they've done on this shoe. But the inside leather is a lot smoother, very nicely padded. Sort of reminds me of the old 90s, to be honest, and it's lovely to see it with this premium padding. You know, the 90s that we've been releasing recently have really not had that padding the same as the originals. Both shoes are the same, no differences that I've noted. Maybe slight change in the pattern, but overall similar presentation, similar looking shoe. And yeah, with that being said, I think I'll jump some on foot now. Okay, so that just about wraps up the video today on this shoe. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please like, comment and subscribe. It's all free, it costs you nothing, and it helps you massively grow in the channel. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video.